पानी दा रंग लेके पानी दा रंग लेके Merry Christmas everyone. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Hyderabadi Beauty and Delhi Beast. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to the airport and I'm going to Bangalore for a couple of days. And yeah, right now I'll go there and have a cup of coffee. I'm so tired. Alright guys, see you on the other side. I'll be boarding the plane right now.
इस उड़ान के मुख्य विमानी कप्तान विनय शिवरम है और सह कप्तान हरदीप ढिल्लों है।
So guys, this is the first time I'm coming to a Bangalore airport, and it has been said that it is somewhere near the border of Bangalore. So I'll be taking a cab. And how much do they charge? Because what I've always heard, for people who are traveling to Bangalore, the minimum cab charge that one gets is not less than 1,000. So let me check first. I have come out of the airport. I'm going to pick Uber, and yeah, the price is somewhere around 1,200 bucks. And people are right, guys. So yeah, this is the beautiful Bangalore airport. Welcome to Bangalore traffic. So guys, right now I'm in Holiday Inn Express, which is in Whitefield. It is 11:15 at this time, and I've ordered coffee for myself. The Swiggy guy is going to come now, so yeah, I'll collect coffee, and I just need to be awake for like next couple of hours. I am doing something very important. So yeah, just to stay awake, I need a good strong coffee, guys. So apparently the Swiggy guy has come, and he's complaining about the address. Thank you. Thank you, sir. So guys, trust me, they are doing a really good job serving the customer, delivering food to the customer in this cold, chilly night. And I hats off to them that they are doing this kind of work. If I see like 3 to 4 years back, or maybe like even couple of years back, services like these were not there. And if we would have had to like have coffee or something like that, then we would have to make everything by ourselves, and or we would have to compromise on few things. But right now, if I want coffee even at 11:30, 12 o'clock at midnight, I can get coffee anytime, guys. I'm doing something very important for my official work, so that's the reason I've come to Bangalore, guys. So apparently I won't be able to meet many of you out there who are waiting to meet me. I would love to meet you all. Definitely, I would come live whenever you guys want me to do. I don't know when that will happen. Probably after going to Hyderabad, I'll come live with Sumaya and Ayan probably, if he's there. So see you guys there. Good night. This is day 1 of my 3-day tour to Bangalore. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to the gym. I am feeling a little dizzy, I'm feeling a little tired. I just want to make sure that my day goes well and active. So that's why I'm going to the gym and going to lift some dumbbells so that my sleeping body cells become active and I pretty much don't sleep in afternoon. So yeah guys, this is the gym. Just see. It's very small. If there are like more than 3 to 4 people, this gym will get loaded. So there's a place for just 2 or 3 max. And they have some nice treadmill, cycling and set off all the dumbbells out there. But yeah, I am here to just lift some weights and that's it. I think I should be good to go after that. Guys, you know what's the speciality about Bangalore which I have not seen in Hyderabad? You see that? You have helipads here guys. Hey guys, what's up? You know what I enjoy the most? I'll show you. Sehwag beating the South African bowlers all over the park. What a blistering knock by him. Now you tell me, what is that one thing which you enjoy the most? Alright guys, so I'm leaving from the hotel now. I'm checking out. I'll be going to my friend's place and he's also a YouTuber and his name is Ujjwal. So the stay was good. I'm having my breakfast right now. I'll eat little bit, not much, because I promised that I'll go there and eat also, but last night I did not eat anything, so that's why little bit to charge my body. Guys, this is the in-orbit mall of Bangalore. It looks so cool. Nice. Channel page guys. Subscribe. Oh no. Subscribe. And I'm subscribing to my channel for him. You're subscribed.
Hyderabad beauty and Delhi beast.
ठीक है? इस वीकेंड देख लेना, आपका वीडियो आ जाएगा।
हाँ, ओके ओके।
ठीक है? ओके। आपको खुद को देखना है क्या? आप कैसे बात कर रहे हो ये वो? हाँ, वो रहता है। बट ये वीकेंड सैटरडे में वीडियो डालता हूँ। जो एक्टर था आप लोगों का, पुनीत राजकुमार, पुनीत कर गया, वो सडन डेथ बहुत शॉकिंग था।
सर वेरी सिंपल पर्सन। हिज फादर राजकुमार कर्नाटक स्टेट में
बहुत बड़ा हीरो,
बहुत फेमस हीरो। ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅವಾರ್ಡ್, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ರತ್ನ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ವೇರಿ फेमस बट सन सिंपल पर्सन सर। आमेले हेल्पिंग नेचर बहुत है। 1800 चिल्ड्रंस लर्निंग हेल्प ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ कर्नाटक में।
वेरी गुड हेल्पिंग नेचर
बट डेली एक्सरसाइज फिजिकली फिट बहुत शॉकिंग डेप्थ सर।
Very shocking, na?
Very shocking.
I think he died when he was doing gym.
ಜಿಮ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಜಿಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫುಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಸಡನ್ ಡೆತ್ ಸರ್.
Sudden shock.
ವೆರಿ ಮಿರಾಕಲ್.
So guys, यही लाइफ है, जितना है जी लो, जितना मोमेंट है अभी, ये जो मोमेंट है उसको एंजॉय करो, जैसे मैं कर रहा हूँ अभी अशोक जी के साथ, ठीक है. एंड यू नेवर नो व्हाट होल्ड्स टुमारो, सो just try to finish off whatever you have at your plate today itself. Just live the moment, guys. I know we tend to think a lot about future. We tend to save money and we like get bogged down if we don't have that much saving. I tend to behave like that whenever there is, I feel that we are not saving much. But at least we are living the moment, guys. We are trying to give our best to our kid, to our family, so that they are happy and there is no grudge between all of us. So that's all you need to do, guys. You don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. So all you need to do is just enjoy the moment and be alive and spread some positivity, guys. This is the place where my friend stays, guys. Okay, thank you, Ashok. Bye bye.
Okay sir.
Bye bye.
Chalo.
I'm going to this place called Juniper. This is a beautiful gated community. It has different blocks, so I am going to a block called Juniper. And I see people working out early this morning, and I have come here to bother my friend early this morning so that I could spend some time with him. I think that's his place. Oh, goes here.
Welcome home.
Welcome. Say hi to everyone first.
Hi Ganesh fans.
So guys, this is the home tour of Ujjwal's home. He is going to show us a few things, and when I entered I was shocked to see a couple of things. I'll show you why I said like that. Yeah. First thing, so these are the inverters for his, they have a studio, proper studio,
And 2 computers. No, 3 computers we have. So for making sure that there is no turn a single second for red car, we have this.
My goodness, have you ever seen like this before? I have never seen this strange. And wait, they have a proper gym at home, man. I felt as if I've entered a gym. So you have everything.
Hold the camera.
Oh, I cannot do a pull-up, dude.
Okay Ganesh, just do 1 pull-up now.
I can do only 1 or 2 days. There was a time I would...
Nice swinging.
He's saying nice swinging.
What is that?
Guys, one more thing, guys. So when I entered the room, okay, I was looking for a place to sit. And there is a place, guys. That is where she is sitting. It's her sister. So this is the only place at their home to sit.
No, there's one more.
There is one more, guys. I'll show you that.
So this is the balcony.
This is the balcony. And this is the place to sit, guys. Wow, what a seat. So earthy. But yeah, this is a beautiful place, like, to chill. Nice.
So we were just sitting here and talking. Suddenly, this water fountains, they just started, the sprinklers. And it's scared.
Like we were talking something very serious about our past. So yeah, all of a sudden, like this thing came. We felt as if like it was a
Snake or something.
which just popped out of nowhere.
Yeah.
But this society is good, guys. So
Yeah.
you see,
Yeah.
big, I think 15 floors.
Yeah, we are just sitting here, chilling and talking. And yes, nice to have my friend over here. You know. So Ganesh, what is your plan for this week?
This week there is nothing. Abhi to I have to go home and spend some time with my family.
Yeah.
Let's see. We have some holidays coming up. Try to go somewhere. I'll drive down somewhere with my family.
Nice.
Let's see.
Are you missing your home food?
Yeah, I'm missing my home food a lot. That's why I'm going back, guys.
It happens. Yeah.
So guys, this is a proper studio. Wow.
See, that and all is there in the studio.
Yeah, but still, see how big is this TV, man?
Yeah, it's a smart board.
It's a smart board, guys. So
I'll show you how it works.
So my friend is a teacher, you can say.
Not teacher, like I don't teach.
Yeah.
My roommate teaches.
Yeah.
Like I'm a creative lead. Like who makes sure like if the teachers are taking the sessions, we make sure that we edit them, we make a thumbnail for them, whatever graphics goes there, our team takes care of it.
Wow. This is so cool, man. Like to export this to a new home itself would take like bomb.
It's not an easy task. It's not at all an easy task. It's very, you should be very careful. So Ganesh is gonna do some artwork right now.
There's no artwork, guys. I'm just going to write my channel's name. Follow this. Oh, like this. This is called smart board, which is basically used by the teachers, educators who do virtual online classes for all the kids out there. And it is an 86-inch board. I'll show you how this thing works. Okay. So I'm just going to write my name, my channel name. Wait. Again. Hyderabadi Beauty Deliveries. That's the channel. Please do subscribe. That's the channel name, Hyderabadi Beauty Deliveries. Please do subscribe to this channel. And yeah, that's it, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm just eating dosa, the breakfast now. I love salads, guys. So.
Very healthy. He's an amazing chef.
Yeah.
I'm planning to, have him in my YouTube videos. So this I almost order every day. And I have a device to open this. Can you believe it? My friend was like, who the hell will buy this thing? Which fool? And then he came to my house and then he saw this and he said, oh, finally I found that fool. But anyway, it's like pretty good actually. Like, let me show you. So I just have to stick it in and press it. Yeah.
Oh, wow!
Oh, it feels so fresh.
Wow.
Done. And then I take this and where is the ball? Put it in this.
It's very simple chords. E minor, D, E minor, D, E minor, D, C, D, E
Mahia,
राजना आया मेरा माहिया आया, माहिया आया मेरा राजना आया, खाना दूर रह के खाना दूर रह के अखियां मंजूर है, ओ अखियां मंजूर है, कोठे उत्ते के अखियां मिला दे, ना जाना मैं कभी छोड़, तेरे उत्ते मरदा प्यार मैनू करदा, मिलेगा तुझे कोई और, तू भी आ सबको छोड़ के, तू भी आ सबको छोड़ के, अखियां जो मंजूर है, ओ अखियां जो मंजूर है, ओ अखियां जो मंजूर है, अखियां जो मंजूर है। Okay guys, I hope you liked it. It was literally impromptu, just waiting for the cab to come. We did not even practice. It was just done in 2 minutes, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Please follow this guy. Subscribe to his channel. He's an amazing guy, guys. And I hope, I wish him good luck for his future endeavors. And whatever he does, he should do it with a there should be some focus in it. Okay, he lacks focus, guys. But please do support him. His channel, I'll put him on the link. Okay, definitely support him. He's also a musician, so he creates his own songs. Okay, and I just simply love it. I hope he does a lot of them and become successful.
With support like him, obviously.
Yeah. I miss people in Hyderabad, guys, like who can jam something like this, because I don't know how to play guitar. Like I know basic, but I cannot play like him. He's a professional, but I am not.
Beginner.
Yeah, beginner, but it's like in a good way. Like
with passion, I
with passion, he does.
Alright guys, bye for now. I am in airport right now. I'll be heading to Hyderabad. So guys, I am in airport. It's a complete chaos here, guys. So if you are planning to go anywhere from Bangalore, make sure you reach at least 1.5 to 2 hours before. It took me like literally 1 hour to do the checking part. They are checking each and everything in airport, which is good. That's why like I'm giving you a heads up that please do come an hour and a half before, at least minimum 2 hours before the airport, guys. So guys, I've come here to buy Dharwad Peda, guys. So this is Karnataka's famous Peda. This is Karnataka's famous, right? What's the speciality about this?
Traditional sweet.
Traditional sweet it is. It is a traditional sweet, guys. So it's Christmas time, guys. You see Santa Clauses here. Merry Christmas, everyone. Hello, Hyderabad.
This was the end of my video. Until I see you next, खुश रहो, मस्त रहो और enjoy करो, guys. Bye bye.